Pakistani diaspora members screamed "Shame on you" to Pakistan's failed marshal and dictator the moment he reached Four Seasons Hotel in United States.
Asim Munir is here, as you can see. Shame!
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame!
Free Pakistan! Civilian supremacy in Pakistan!
Dictator! Shame on you, dictator! Shame on you!
Shame on you, Asim Munir! Shame on you, Asim Munir! Shame on you! Civilian supremacy in Pakistan!
Philippines has said that 3 battalions of BrahMos missiles of Philippine Marine Corps are not enough, and the Philippine Army is all set to place BrahMos missile order to strengthen its long-range strike capabilities. The Royal Navy F-35B that made an emergency landing at an Indian airport will depart only after repairs to its hydraulic system. A replacement pilot and 3 technicians are working on it, while the first pilot has been taken back to the British aircraft carrier. An image of Chinese anti-riot armor in possession of Indian Army has emerged on social media, and this discovery validates reports that several Chinese Army soldiers were captured by Indian Army during the Gal-wan Valley clash in 2020. Pakistan's official government Twitter account has quietly deleted a post that had claimed that China would sell its HQ-19 high-altitude anti-ballistic missile shield to Pakistan, after reports that China's Central Military Commission has not authorized the export of the HQ-19 system. An export variant of the HQ-19 has not been developed, and the system remains exclusive to the Chinese Army. Israel has strongly condemned the actions taken by French authorities and the organizers of the Paris Air Show, where black partition walls were erected around Israeli defense industry exhibits at the event's opening on 16 June. India is conducting a feasibility study for constructing a 113 kilometers long canal for redirecting surplus flow from 3 rivers of the Indus water system to Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Indian Army's 12th Rapid Division Signal Unit successfully conducted a communication systems test, ensuring operational readiness and seamless connectivity in dynamic combat environments. China is nearing completion of 350 ICBM silos spread across the northern and eastern part of the country. Goa Shipyard Limited has launched the 5th fast patrol vessel for the Indian Coast Guard that features 60% indigenous content and a top speed of 27 knots. In a blow to Lockheed Martin, the US Air Force has cut its F-35 order in half, after which Lockheed Martin shares fell by 7%. General Atomics has revealed a brand new unmanned aircraft known as Precision Exportable Launched Effect, which is a small propeller-driven drone built for multi-mission roles in modern warfare that can be launched from the MQ-9B. The DRDO chief has said that India is on track to induct its first high-endurance extra-large unmanned underwater vehicle within the next 1 to 2 years. It has a displacement of 20 tons and has a remarkable endurance of 45 days, allowing for prolonged undersea missions. Hindustan Aeronautics will deliver the first Tejas Mark 1A aircraft from Bengaluru production line in August 2025 after a 16-month delay. The first Tejas Mark 1A aircraft produced at the new Nashik facility is scheduled for its first flight in mid-July. SUPRI has reported that India has expanded its nuclear advantage over Pakistan, and as of January 2025, India's nuclear arsenal is estimated at 180 warheads, up from 172 warheads in 2024, while Pakistan's stockpile remains at 170 warheads. The report also mentions that next-generation MIRV-capable missiles such as the Agni Prime and Agni 5 Mark II represent a leap in operational readiness and survivability. Bharat Dynamics Limited and Larsen & Toubro have joined forces with the DRDO to develop the 120 km range next-generation Pinaka Mark III system, and the Indian Army will receive the advanced system to start user trials by the end of 2025. The DRDO is also developing a Pinaka Mark IV with a 300 km range that will be ready for induction by 2030. In a strategic expansion, the Phase 1 of the BMD program is now set to extend its protective cover to southern India, and major cities such as Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad will now be under the BMD umbrella. The BMD Phase 1 is engineered to intercept and neutralize incoming ballistic missiles, with a particular focus on countering Pakistan's Shaheen series missile. Today's top 3 comments.